Hello everyone, I'm Doshiba Armstrong and my colleague Mukesh. We are currently pursuing third year B.Tech Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, and the title of the project is Portable Emergency Ventilator. This project is based on the Embedded System Design and Process Control subject. The components required for the projects are Atmega 328P, voltage regulator, ambu bag, potentiometer, LCD display and servo motor. When the patient enters the hospital with some emergency cases like asthma, COPD, trauma, the first thing the attendant will provide them with a supportive care by giving an oxygen ventilator to make them stable. The same ventilator mechanism was demonstrated here through Atmega 328 microcontroller. When the power supply was given, the voltage regulator convert the 12 volt to the 5 volt and give it back to the microcontroller. Now, the servo motor which is connected to the microcontroller starts to rotate from 0 degree to 90 degree and it's vice versa. After inflating the oxygen bag which is connected to the ambu bag, and that ambu bag was connected between the legs of the two wooden slabs. As the servo motor starts to rotate, the one leg of the slab starts a movement from downward to upward, so that the ambu bag in between them gets compressed and expand. Due to that compression, the breathable air can be taken out from that, and we can even utilize that by connecting a pipe and the mask. Now, the speed of the compression get adjusted by just rotating the wiper of the potentiometer which was given outside as the patient's oxygen level gets varies. And this adjusting speed and the current speed will be displayed in the LCD display board. And this project was very helpful during the corona time. That's the project. Thank you.